Hi guys, we're now here at Nagoya Station going to Osaka.
Wow.
And this is the bullet train that we will be riding going to Osaka. It's a expensive bullet train. It's average about 320 kilometers per hour. Ang bilis, di ba? Hi guys, good morning and welcome to Nagoya Station. So for today we're going to Osaka. So may Osaka, it's I think north of Nagoya, no? So we're taking a bullet train. It's about 1.5 or 1 hour train ride. The bullet train. So tayo papasok ko. So we're going to Osaka. Woohoo! Magkano 6 tickets na 1 way?
Dati.
1 way yun, di ba? Oo. Kasi malayo. Yung isa lang kaya?
So, andito kami sa reserve seat, no? Card number 9. So, titingnan mo, parang naka-business class kasi medyo mahal yung price. Pero maluwag. Diba? Pero ang bilis. Pero, I think right now we're about 320 kilometers per hour. Pero dito sa loob ko mararamdaman, no? Pero kung titingnan mo dito, talagang ano, lightning speed. Diba? Galing. So, maganda dito sa parang sa business class. Diba? Guys, doon ka daw bababa sa left side kasi minsan pwede kang bumaba sa kanan or sa kaliwa, depende on ano, sa station ka bababa. So ang announcement kanina, this will be a quick stop at Osaka Shin. So mabilisan lang to, kaya kung marami kang dalang gamit talagang paspasan. We're here about less than 1 hour after we ride at the Nagoya Station, and now we are in Osaka. You know.
Grabe. Hindi naman lang ako makatulog.